Hello friends, here I am to share homemade ragi flour. As you know, ragi is finger millet, rich in fiber, protein, calcium and iron. It's really good to have this millet as part of your diet as it increases good cholesterol and decreases triglycerides. I use this flour in many ways like in idli, dosa, pesarattu, paniyaram, rotis, etc. You can store ragi flour in a airtight container for over 3 months and use as needed instantly. You can find ragi at Indian and Asian stores. It's available in two types, parboiled and regular ragi. If you notice, parboiled is more darker, so flour will be little darker too. I'm going to show flour with ragi. You can make flour in two ways, with and without roasting. Let's see with roasting first. You can roast the ragi either in pan or air fryer. Add 1 cup of ragi in a pan on stove. Roast for 4 to 5 minutes on slow flame. Keep mixing in the middle. Aluminium pan is better, as you can spot easily if ragi is getting overburnt. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. Let's see roasting in air fryer. Add ragi in deep basket so that ragi won't fly being lightweight. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. Takes total of 4 minutes with preheating time. Mix 1 to 2 times in the middle. Let it cool down completely. Second way is grinding directly without roasting. There is no difference with roasting look and feel wise, but light roasting might help to enhance the flavor. If you have unused ragi from long days, roasting is better. Or if you want to wash ragi, rinse it off, drain and shade dry completely. There shouldn't be any moisture. Let's see grinding. Grinding ragi in mixie is so easy. Make sure to grind to fine powder. Should not be coarse at all. If you grind to fine texture, there is no need to sieve off. You can use it directly in batters and flours. Hope you like my ideas and options. See you again with many more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.